Hey everyone, it's Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, but this time I'm from Little Coin Shop, littlecoinshop.com.au, and I've been hanging out to open this one for months. It's been delayed and delayed and delayed, and finally they've arrived. Connor doesn't know what I'm talking about.
I have no idea.
Blankly at me behind.
But it's a good thing that you know what's up, so let's just crack into it.
I finally know what's in a box. It's only because it's written on the outside, I suppose, but I finally know what's written in here.
And so you're excited. So we've been waiting for a long time for these.
Yes, you got that impression, did you?
Yeah, I did. I'm trying to get why you're excited. Give us some hints. Come on.
These people will remember. It's not part of the same series, so don't think it's the second in the series or anything. But some people will remember the kilo. No, was it 1 kilo? I think they were 2 kilos as well. Barrier Reef coins that Perth Mint did last year in silver.
I've heard about these.
These are the similar thing. They're not the same thing. They're
same
a similar
style,
thing.
let's say?
Yeah, these are just making sure. I've not opened them before, so I don't know how the packaging comes. So I'm going to look like a little bit of a muppet. But yeah, they come. They look unbelievably stunning, and I've seen the pictures. But they're always artist mock-ups, so they're never...
The real deal.
Yeah, the real deal sort of thing. So you're always going to go, oh, will it look as good as the pictures? Alrighty, here we go. This is where I start to geek out.
The packaging already is quite industrial.
It is. It has to be. It's a 2 kilo coin, which is the other thing that... Perth Mint are playing around with these things at the moment, and I absolutely love it. I think they're doing a great job of it. I got no idea how to open this thing. They do a fantastic job because they're trying some unusual sizes like the 2 kilo. I think it's next month. They're doing a 3 ounce coin, and they just it's just these odd sizes, and they just look great, and they're different.
Yeah, 2 kilo coins for me have been unheard of.
They're very unusual, very unusual. So, see, they know how to package it, I'll give them that. Here we go, here we go. Have you got a glove here?
Yes, there will be gloves just over to your left.
I won't handle this without a glove on, because we won't actually be handling the coin, so don't panic that I'm actually exposing the coin, but I'll just use gloves on the packaging as well because it looks so good. Have I built it up enough?
Oh, it's built up. It's built up. Just the wrestling with the packaging was enough of a build-up, I feel. I haven't seen something packaged so thoroughly yet.
The upside of wearing gloves is you obviously leave no prints or anything. The downside is it makes it a bit cumbersome. Oh, look at that. So I'm assuming you'll get some B-roll, but just look at that. So this is the Dragon and Tiger 2 kilo silver coin. It is antiqued. So I don't know if I'm putting that in your way, mate.
No, you're good.
It's an antiqued finish. So it's got that, I don't know what the term is. Darkening to it, if you like. The patterning around the outside is beautiful. I don't even know how to explain what that is. Just a kind of a crisscross swishy pattern, and then obviously it's got Dragon and Tiger across the top, and then 2022 2 kilo 49 silver coin with the Perth Mint P stamped over here. But the coin itself, again, and we seem to be talking about this quite a lot, is concave. So it drops right in, bottom of a bowl type of thing. But it gives them then the depth to actually draw out that design. So you've got the dragon at the bottom there looking almost three-dimensional as they've drawn out the features of the dragon, and the same with the tiger on the top. You can see that there, and the darkening of the ridges by antiquing it accentuates the design. This is
impressive, isn't it?
I'm really geeking out here. This is terrible. So, and then they put this black rim around the outside to protect the coin, or to package the coin, however you want to look at it. And the darkness of it actually brings out the detail again, so it's even more emphasised. And then it's put in this clear perspex. It's not a box. I don't know what you'd call it. and then on the other side, like the thing I love about the larger coins is that it gives you enough plate size, enough surface area size to really start to expand the design and the detail on there. So, and you'll have to excuse me, Your Majesty, but it even brings out the wrinkles in her skin. So it just, like, it gives that size where you can really get the detail in it. And again, the concave finish there with the three-dimensionaling of Queen Elizabeth, it just, can you tell I'm geeking out?
Yeah, the level of detail in this is amazing, and it's such a weighty looking piece.
It's a brick.
That would look amazing on a mantle. That looks like it would be a centerpiece of a display.
Absolutely. It's just beautiful. And I don't know. I found I loved the Great Barrier Reef, okay? Before we go too much further, I loved the design on that. But it was a very busy design. There was coral all over it and fish coming out of it and crabs and all sorts of things. So it was a really busy design. This is a more, and I don't mean this in an insulting way, it's a more basic design. So you don't quite lose the detail in the busyness. It's got the size and the simplicity to actually bring the detail out. Although I have to say, I would say their tiger looks more like a bear.
Yeah, you know what? I think you're correct there. However, in contrast to that, the dragon looks intimidating. Yeah, really, really beautiful style there with the dragon.
No, that's beautiful. But it's an incredibly, incredibly limited design. If it's not sold out, I'll be amazed if it's not sold out. But if it's not sold out, it will be sold out very, very quickly. If you want one, go to littlecoinshop.com.au. I know they got a few in, but they didn't get a heck of a lot in. So if you're interested in it, grab it while you can. You're not going to pay 2 kilo buyback bar price for it in bullion. It is not a bullion coin. It's not a bullion bar. It is, you're going to pay that level up. But I would argue particularly from an aesthetics perspective, but even from an investment perspective, this is not financial advice. This is just some mug on the internet just giving their opinion. I think it's fantastic, and I think it's got real potential for future growth. Anything else you want to pitch in there, mate?
I'm just in awe. I'm looking forward to having a good look at this and getting that B-roll on it. No, that's amazing. That's stunning. The biggest one I've seen, and yeah.
If you get a chance, come into the store and have a look at it. Yep. I don't think it'll be in store very long. In fact, I don't think it'll be in store pretty much at all.
Oh, you sure we can't get one store first?
I would love to. I will ask if we can display one in store for a while, but they are just beautiful.
Yeah.
And you've got to see them in real life to appreciate the detail.
Yeah, the presentation is stunning.
Yeah, even down to, like I said, poor old Queen Elizabeth's wrinkles are on for display.
All right, well, before you get in any more trouble, we'll wrap it up there.
All right.
Thanks for showing us that one, Michael.
No, thank you. Talk again soon.